Ssaabalamuzi Bart Katuleebe akungubagidde omugenzi Apollo Nsibambi. Omugenzi amwogeddeko ng'omuntu atakwanyako era abadde omwesimbu ddala.
I've worked with him very closely in cabinet when I was a Minister of Justice as an Attorney General. When I was in private practice, is one person who would call me and tell me what you said yesterday I didn't like, or say I encourage you to continue the way you are going. Even as a judge, as Chief Justice, he's been a personal advisor, I would say.
Ono ajjukiza nga bali bafuuse ab'omukwano ennyo mu biseera we yabeera Ssaabaminisita.
He gave me a cow when my son wedded. He came as a guest and he gave us a cow and he insisted that I take it. So only on Sunday when I was at home, my manager pointed out one of the cows and said that cow is an offspring of the one that was given to you by Nsibambi. That was on Sunday. Then 2 days later to be told he has died. So we wish God to give him eternal peace. I think he has made his contribution.